First, we head over to the official platform at railway.gov.gr. To get started, let's move the cursor to the left-hand side of the screen and expand the main navigation column. Train Search and Filters. Under the Train Search section, you'll notice several preset filters. These allow you to toggle between different types of traffic, such as passenger trains, freight, maintenance vehicles, or even units that are currently out of service. Active Trains List. Right below those buttons, there is a dedicated window displaying all currently active trains on the network, as well as those scheduled to depart shortly. This gives you a quick overview of everything moving on the tracks in real time. Moving to the bottom right of your screen, you'll find the display settings. Tailor your experience by switching between light and dark mode for optimal visibility. Additionally, you can choose from 4 distinct map layouts, ensuring the background fits your navigation style perfectly. Upcoming departures. When we switch to the Upcoming Schedules tab, the system displays planned services for the next 1 to 2 days. This is a great tool for looking ahead at the network's traffic. The system is being progressively updated to include every single train moving across the entire national network. For the time being, you can use this section to keep track of both intercity and freight movements between Athens and Thessaloniki. Now, for one of the most impressive features of the platform, the live view. This mode grants you a front row seat, streaming a live feed directly from the train's locomotive, showing exactly what the driver sees. This immersive experience is powered by Starlink satellite technology, allowing us to monitor the train's journey and surrounding traffic across the network in real time. Since the system relies on a direct satellite uplink, you may notice brief signal interruptions or lags when the train passes under bridges or overhead structures. However, the connection recovers almost instantly, keeping you right in the heart of the action. Now, it's time for a field test. To see how the rail tracker performs in the real world, we're conducting an experiment, comparing the app's data directly with the actual movement of the train. We want to measure the latency, the exact delay between the digital tracker and reality. Let's head trackside to see just how close the application stays to the real-time action. How much lag is there really? Let's find out. Don't forget to like this video. And consider to subscribe. Check those before you go.